Hi, it's me, Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today I have another project inspired by my trip last summer. We saw a lot of art. So we were in the St. Louis Art Museum in St. Louis, Missouri, and we came across this beautiful painting. It was an abstract landscape painting of New Mexico. It's called New Mexico No. 40 by Fritz Golder. He was a member of the Louisiano tribe. Anyway, I thought about where we live here in the Bay Area. It's the beginning of November and we have the most beautiful sunsets. So I thought, what does our landscape look like? When I look out from where we are right now, out across the bay in the evening, it's beautiful pink and orange and yellow, and then with the dark outline of San Francisco. It's pretty cool. So I thought I'd try that today. We're gonna see how it goes. He said he likes to listen to loud music and the colors just flow across his canvases. He was painting canvases that were really big. We're using this sheet of paper right now. It's sort of like a good size for painting. And acrylic paint, which I've already poured onto my palette that's a piece of foil. I covered my work area with newspaper to protect our beautiful table. And I have some paint brushes. I used some wider brushes so I could get across the page pretty easily. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with some pink. And then if I need more paint, I can get more paint. But I'm just gonna go with the pink across the page and let it just go across and kind of have movement. And I don't know, we're gonna see where it goes.
Loud rock music?
Loud rock music. Maybe that's what we need. I don't know. Or just, sound.
Or not.
Usually when we're doing things around here, we try to just clean brushes at the end. And so we don't worry too much about having a lot of dirty brushes. I didn't want to mix my paints in this one. So I'm just sweeping across with some colors that remind me of the sunset I just saw last night. It was so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it was great. This one isn't quite as white, but I think it's gonna capture that yellow pretty easily.
Are you blending your colors?
A little bit, yeah. A little bit of blending. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow up into here. And maybe some of the pink down below. And that's gonna feel really nice. Now when I look out across the bay, it's very dark on the bottom section because it's water. And like when the sun goes down, casts shadows. So I'm going to use this, it's an abstract painting. It's not really going to look like the landscape. That's what he did. It was just very abstract. If you get a chance to look up New Mexico No. 40 by Fritz Golder, I highly recommend it. Because remember, when we're inspired by an artist, we're not actually copying what he did. We are just giving the illusion, or coming up with our own ideas, but in this case, coming up with the illusion of what it looks like out across the bay when I look at night.
Okay, what is abstract?
It means it's not going to look exactly what it is. It's just it gives the idea of something. So if you look at it, you can tell that it's probably some sort of a building. It's just like, it's not really, it doesn't have to look realistic.
Yeah, it says existing in a thought or an idea, but not having a physical existence. So it's your idea. This is your idea.
This is my idea of what it looks like.
Yes, so good.
I'm also going to add a little bit of white into the black when I get down to where the water is. It's maybe a little bit more white. So there's some contrast there. And so maybe you could tell, probably not, that it's waterish. But this is what I was thinking when I saw that painting in the St. Louis Art Museum. So if you go to St. Louis, or you live in St. Louis, please go to that museum. It was beautiful. Okay, so you're about to see my version of an abstract Bay Area landscape in November. Today is November 2nd, I think what day it was. Oops, yeah.
Whoa!
It's very thin paper, so it's gonna roll. But there we go. What do you think?
I love that sunset, Miss Kate.
I
It really
do love the
does
sunset.
look like that too. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's so, oh my gosh, our sunsets are so pretty. So here you go. So if you think about what your landscape looks like, just get out some paper some paper and some paint or pens, and start painting. You don't have to use acrylic like we did. You could use watercolor or tempera paint. You could use markers, whatever you want. Come up with an idea that is your own. We'll see you soon. Thanks for coming.
Bye, friends.
Bye.